In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Notion mobile carousel step by step so you can navigate your workspace faster and understand everything available right from your phone. If you're new to Notion on mobile or you feel lost when opening the app, this video is going to clear things up completely. We'll walk through the carousel, search, home, private pages, Teamspaces, settings, and even the trash so you know where everything lives. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your mobile browser or the Notion app and go to notion.so. Then log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once Notion loads, you'll be taken to your main workspace. On mobile, the most important area to understand is the left sidebar, which works like a carousel. To access it, tap on the left side of the screen or swipe from the edge, depending on your device. This sidebar carousel is your control center in Notion Mobile. At the top of the carousel, you'll see the search option. Go ahead and tap on search. This lets you search across your entire Notion workspace, including pages, databases, and notes. It's extremely useful when you have a lot of content and don't want to manually browse for a page. You can type keywords and instantly jump to what you need. Next, tap on Home. The Home section takes you back to your base page in Notion. Think of this as your main dashboard, where you can quickly access recent pages and important content. Whenever you feel lost in Notion, coming back to Home is the fastest way to reset and start fresh. Below Home, you'll see the Private section. Tap on Private to view and edit your personal pages that are only visible to you. This is where you'll usually store personal notes, to-do lists, drafts, or anything you're not sharing with a team. You can create, edit, and organize all your private files from here directly on mobile. Under Private, you'll find Teamspaces. Tap on Teamspaces to access shared pages and group files. This section is used for collaboration, whether you're working with a company, a client, or a group project. Any shared databases, documents, or workflows will appear here, making it easy to switch between personal and teamwork from the carousel. As you scroll further down the carousel, you'll notice links to other Notion apps and tools. This may include options to work with Notion Mail, Calendar, or prompts to use the desktop version for more advanced workflows. These shortcuts help you move between different Notion products without leaving the ecosystem. Next, tap on Settings. The Settings section is where you can edit your configuration and preferences. Here you can manage your account details, appearance settings, notifications, and other important options that customize how Notion works on your mobile device. Finally, tap on Trash. The Trash section allows you to view and recover deleted files. If you accidentally delete a page, don't panic. You can come here and restore it as long as it hasn't been permanently removed. This is an important safety feature that every Notion user should know about. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the Notion mobile carousel and understand what each section does, from search and home all the way to settings and trash. Mastering this carousel will save you time and make using Notion on mobile feel much more intuitive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.